of Satyagraha was sent even if the people got arrested with the frame this
Firm determination.
determination of non-violent struggle against the government continued on 12 March 1913. Under his leadership, Gandhiji commenced Dandi Yatra with his supporters from Harijan Ashram. Now Gandhi Ashram singing the Yaman
Him,
him,
him.
him Vishnu now Jan
વૈષ્ણવજન તો
Vishnujan to
તો તેને રે કહીએ
તને કહે
જે પીડ પરાઈ જાને રે.
જે પીઠ પર
So,
જાને રે. Gandhiji said
ગાંધીજી
Gandhiji said in Dandi Yatra, brave never run away from the struggle. The one who runs by
wait wait
seeing
wait
the
wait beta wait. So uh, next topic is Dandi Yatra. Okay, when was Dandi Yatra started? From March 12 to April 16 in 1930. From March 12 to April 16 in 1930. After the movement, that is civil disobedience movement. After the movement as civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji decided that where did Gandhiji went? Gandhiji went to Dandi village to break the salt law, as Britishers has told uh, not to sell the salt from the rivers. So Gandhiji went to Dandi village and he break there he go and break the salt law. On the 11th March evening, in the assembly of thousands of people, how many peoples were gathered there? Thousands of peoples were gathered, and message was spread about this satyagraha. Which satyagraha? Dandi Yatra. Okay. Even if people got arrested with firm determination of non-violence, means people were gathered, Gandhiji told that we will not do violent activities, we will do non-violent activities. We will speak the slogans and that all, but we will not fight with guns and that all. Okay? So, as they were arresting, Britishers were arresting, they became strong and started this Dandi Yatra. On 12th March 1930, under his leadership, Gandhiji commenced Dandi Yatra with his supporters from Harijan ashrams. Who supported the Gandhiji? Supporters from Harijan ashram. Okay. Now it is known as Gandhi ashram. Okay. And they were singing the hymn, that is Vaishnava Jana to Tenere Kahe Pid Parai Chenere. Okay, they were singing the song hymn. It is the type of bhajan. Okay, they spoke this Vaishnava Jana. Okay, now Gandhiji said in Dandi Yatra, that is on 29th March in 1930. He gave the slogan that I shall die the death of crow and dog, but I will not return to his ashram without attaining Purna Swaraj. Means he told that I will die here, but I will not come return till we get complete independence. Understood this much?
yes,
Understood, or shall I repeat? It's important topic.
understood.
Okay. Beta, read. Next.
Is not a brave. Under the leadership of Gandhiji, Sarojin Nairu, Mahadev Bhai Desaiya, extra started the Dandi March.
Beta, where you are reading? Wait. Where you are reading, beta?
His
You have to
march
read from here. Brave never run. Brave never run away from struggle. You have to read from here.
one who runs
Start reading.
Brave never run away from struggle. The who one runs by seeing the struggle is not brave. Under the leadership of Gandhiji, Sarojini Naidu, Mahadev Bhai Desai extra started the
Beta,
Gandhi March.
wait. After that, it is Gandhiji along with his supporters started the Dandi March. You are reading from textbook.
Yes,
You read from the mobile.
yes.
Okay, Gandhiji along with his supporters. You can see the screen.
Yes,
Okay, start reading.
Gandhiji, along with his supporters, started the Dandi March. This march was 370 kilometers, which included Aslia,
Aslali,
Aslari,
Bareja,
Barije,
Bareja,
Barijan, Bareja, Nan-
Nadiad,
Nariyad, Anand,
Boraibi,
Borevi, Raj,
Jambusar,
Jambusar, Bharuch, Surat, Navsari has well as small and large religions. During the Dandi March in these religions, people will explain the reason for civil
disobedience movement.
disobedience movement and breaking the salt law. As Dandi March passed through his small and large town, people used to clean the village roads, decorate their house with the thrones
Torrent,
and torrents, and show the
conscience,
conscience for his Satyagraha Dandi Yatra had wonderful effect in creating astonishing,
astonishing faith,
astonishing faith, unity, and con-
consciousness.
concerns among the people. All of the nation was having a brave of Satyagraha Gandhiji, along with his
Courageous.
colleagues and supporters reached Dandi after 24th day of March, 5th April
Okay,
1930.
wait. So, after the Gandhiji told that on 29th March, Gandhiji told that I shall die the death of crow and dog, but I will not return to this ashram without attaining Purna Swaraj. He told that I will die here, but I will not return back to the ashram till we get complete independence. Then, after what he told, brave never run away from struggle. If we will fight, if we will do struggle, then and then only we will get independence. The one who runs by seeing the struggle is not brave. Means if you are not struggling and you are running away, they are not brave. Who told this? Gandhiji along with his supporter started the Dandi March. He started Dandi March with his supporter, and this march was about 370 kilometers. How many kilometers it was? It was about 370 kilometers. Which regions were? Which regions were covered? That is Aslali, Barayat, Anand, Boraivi, Jambusar, Bharuch, Navsari. Okay, these all regions were covered up to reach the Dandi ashram, and it was about how many kilometers? It was about 370 kilometers. Okay, then
Yes,
after that, during this yatra, when they were going, they have explained why they are doing this movement, why they are breaking the salt law. This people have explained about the Dandi March. The main objectives they have explained, okay, to the people. As Dandi March passed through the small and large towns, people used to clean the village roads. When they were passing from the small villages, towns, What people were doing, they were cleaning the roads, they were decorating their house with the torrents. Okay, and people were very much happy about this, and people were conscious about that they have to break the salt law. Okay, all of the nations was having a wave of satyagraha, and after Gandhiji, when they reached Dandi, they have reached after 24 days. They have reached after 24 days with his supporters and colleagues. Okay, on okay, this much you have understood.
Yes.
What was the main aim of the Dandi Yatra? The main aim of Dandi Yatra was to break the salt
Salt
law.
law.
So, yes, so it was from March 12 to April 6, 1930, and Gandhiji told that I will reach when he will get complete independence. When he will get complete independence. So it was about 370 kilometers, and small and large regions were also covered. And in between, where there were small villages, towns, they were explaining that why they are doing this movement, why they are breaking the salt law. Okay, understood, beta?
Yes.
Okay, start. Next.
Law
Start
of
reading, beta.
law of picking a handful of salt from the sea coast in a cloud.
In a loud voice.
In a loud voice, Gandhiji started. I have
Stated.
stated. I have broken the salt law. And while addressing the people gathered,
Gathered there.
gathered there, he turned
Uttered.
uttered, I by this event am applying salt to the foundation of building in the form of British Empire. Sri Mahadev Bhai
Desai.
Desai has compared his event as
Mahabinishkaram.
Mahapariskaram, the great
Renunciation.
Renaissance
Journalist.
journalists, photographers, writers, historians, of
Historians of India.
historians of India and across the world visited and published reports about what they witnessed in her own newspaper
And
and
booklets.
booklets. In this way, the Dandi Yatra, which started from the Sabarmati ashram on 12th March, was nationally acclaimed,
Acclaimed.
acclaimed, achieved a
Physical competition.
physical competition, but it started applying salt to the foundation of the movement. Jan-
Building in
Jan-
the form of British Empire.
British Empire civil disposition,
Disobedience.
disobedience, movement,
Movement.
movement
Generated.
generated new national conscience among the people of India. The British police beat him
Among people of
priceless lathi-charge, arrest, shooting, and oppression on a woman, and
and of
children continue. Children continue, but
but
aggression
education
did
did
not
not decrease.
decrease.
So after reaching to Dandi ashram, okay, after reaching to Dandi village on early morning of April 6, Gandhiji uh, took a pinch of salt and told that I have broken the salt law, means he has broken the salt law, where people were gathered, and he spoke these words. I by this event am applying salt to the foundation of building in the form of British Empire. That I am finding the building that is in the form of British Empire. I am breaking the salt law. Then he compared this event as Mahabhini Karam. Okay, and then after that, this was published in this was published by photographers, writers, and this all things were published in the form of newspaper, booklets, okay, about the witness. This report was spread all over. After that, the british policers has hit them with lathi charge. They were arrested. Then also the people were going there and doing their work. Okay, so when they reached Sabarmati as when was Dandi March started from Sabarmati ashram? 12th March, and it was completed on April 6. Understood?
Yes,
Understood, beta?
yes,
Okay. So it's important topic. If not understood, tell me. Then I will again repeat it. I am asking you, beta. Hello. Hello.
no answer.
Sorry. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I ask the questions?
Yes,
Okay. When was Dandi Yatra started? When was Dandi Yatra started?
March
On
27.
March 19th.
No, March 12. When was Dandi
12
Yatra
March
started?
1930.
March
12th
12.
March 1930.
Okay. Under whose leadership? Under whose leadership?
Gandhi ji.
Gandhiji.
Yes, okay. And supporters were from which ashram?
Harijan Ashram.
Harijan Ashram, now known as
Oh,
Gandhi Ashram.
okay. Where it is situated?
Ahmedabad, near
Oh,
Sabarmati.
okay. Then which slogan was given during Yatra on 29th March? Gandhiji, what he has stated? Anyone knows the answer?
That one, Vishnava Jainata one.
No, no, no. What he spoke? I shall die.
I shall die
I
the
shall,
cat
I
or
shall die the
crow,
cat or crow and dog,
but I will not
but I will
return
not
to the
return to the
ashram
ashram
without
without taking
taking
Purna Sarab.
Purna
Okay.
Swaraj.
What's the meaning of this line?
जब तक उनको वो आजादी नहीं मिलेगी तब तक वो वापस नहीं आएंगे आश्रम.
Okay, very nice. How many kilometers it was?
370 kilometers.
Okay, which regions were included in that
Asli,
yatra?
Bhuj, Nadiad, Anand, and
Nadiad, Anand, Boraivi, Ras, Jambusar, Bharuch, Surat,
Sarat
Navsari.
Navasari.
Yatra? You have understood my question? What I am asking?
Yes, we all read that answer.
Sorry?
हमने वो रीड कर लिया जहाँ पे वो था ना जो जो सिटीज में से वो निकला वो.
No. Why they have started this Dandi Yatra?
To
For
break
what they
the
Gandhiji started?
Hello.
break the
Salt
salt
law.
law.
Salt law. Okay. So after reaching Dandi, what Gandhiji, after
He
reaching
took a
to,
pinch of salt in his hand and tell that I break the salt law.
I have broken the salt law. Very good.
Yeah,
And after that, what British police has done?
lathi charge on everyone. Um,
Okay, arrested shooting. Okay. So understood this much
yes,
completely.
yes, ma'am.
It's important topic. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be asked in as a type of short note also in 3 marks. So shall we move to next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you will read better. One paragraph is left that you read it.
During a Dandi March, numeric
Start reading.
during the Dandi March, numerous constructive
Con-
programs like boy,
Boycott,
boycott of foreign clothes,
prohibition of liquor,
prohibitions of liquor, removing
untouchability,
untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, and ought to do the social service, etc. Well
well
held
held,
Dandi Yatra and breaking of salt law brought not only nationwide and cons-
consciousness,
consonance but it brought a fame in aspect of non-violent struggle and movement. Worldwide procession programs and assembly were
conducted for boycotting
conducted for
foreign goods,
boycotting foreign goods. Prohibi-
prohibition,
Prohibitions of foreign liquor
liquor,
and picked
picketing
on
on liquor masks,
liquor making not giving renew tax. Satyagraha
revenue tax,
renew tax. Satyagraha for removal of unit
untouchability,
untouchability to weaken his against nation struggle the government.
agitation, and
Agitation and struggle the government. Started the Lathi charge, imprisonment and other atrocities.
atrocities,
People reasoned by the destroy of railway station, post office, police stations and other government buildings. Accidents like suppressions of agitations under the leadership of Abdul Jabbar
Abdul Ghaffar Khan,
Khan fought
Frontier Gandhi,
Fortune Gandhi and Vadala Bombay struggle against foreign liquor under
liquor,
the leadership of Kasturba Gandhi,
Kasturba Gandhi in
Gandhi
Bombay,
in Bombay, Grayson in Surat, and in Varmagam during the Salt Law Agency renovations of government service as well as removal of children from government school were the major highlights of his movement.
your voice is not coming. Reading. Okay. Of and removal of children from government school were the major highlights. So what happened, drawbacks, what happened that during the Dandi March, constructive programs were created. That in that boycott of foreign clothes, so not to use foreign clothes, prohibition of liquor means to stop the liquor, no, foreign liquor should not come in our countries and states, removing untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity which was there, that was broken and oaths were taken, okay, during Dandi Yatra. So for that, to break this all things, to break the Dandi Yatra, the the Britishers, what they have done lathi charge, they have done imprisonment, means they were arresting us and doing all the things. So, what reaction was came? After that, railway stations, police, post office, police stations, and government buildings all were destroyed. And then the incidents like suppression of agitation under the leadership of Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Frontier Gandhi, means Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Kasturbha Gandhi in Bombay, Garsana in Surat, and Virangar, all the salt agitations were removed and children were removed from the government schools and this all things were happened. So this was the drawback of Dandi Yatra. Understood?
Yes,
100%?
yes,
Okay. So today till here I will send you uh, actual exercise. Okay. Some questions I will send you in the form of PDF. You have to write in your fair book. Okay?
yes.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Okay.
to and in next lecture I will take your test. You have to answer the
Of which
questions
lesson?
of this till Dandi Yatra. Lesson number
Okay.
5.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, then just now you ask me. Any doubt in Simon Commission, Nehru Committee, demand for complete independence, and in Dandi Yatra? You have any doubt? I am asking you, beta.
No,
And why you all are not giving answers?
I had given answer, miss, today.
Okay. Again, who was another who was giving? All are
I am
sleeping?
I am reading.
Yeah,
Only
we
two are
both were
giving me
telling.
answer. Yes, ma'am. Yes, beta. I am knowing, but others all are sleeping.
No, ma'am.
No.
Then why you are not giving answers? I'm asking the questions, beta. Shall I, from now I have to speak the names and you will answer me?